On the vertical face of an old hot spring, dawn erupts in a frenzy. Cliff swallows migrate thousands of miles from wintering grounds in South America. They live life on the wing, visiting the ground only when they must, to collect something simple but crucial: mud. They ferry tiny droplets back to the cliff, gradually constructing their home for the season. Each nest is built from 1,000 individual pellets, which means 1,000 trips to the river. Hard work. But not everyone is so industrious. Some will try to steal from a neighbor. Leaving a nest unattended is risky. Partners exchange guard duty, and short trips out are best. At this colony of swallows, visitors lend a helping hand. As herds of bison move, they transform the landscape. All around the cone of the dormant spring, the bison churn the earth. Even the playful calves do their part. Stirring the mud. Making a perfect mix. With the bison's help, the cliff swallows have a shorter commute, which means more time for work. The result is rapid expansion. The swallows' construction project lasts for about a week. They'll lay their eggs even before the mud has dried.